we're going to show you how MovilGmao changes the life of your business. The mobility solution you needed to increase your productivity, make your day-to-day easier, reduce time and improve transparency. Whatever the sector your company belongs to, MovilGmao adapts with the same efficiency to any work routine. Maintenance, quality, cleaning, inspections, checks, waste control. MovilGmao is truthful and real-time information. Less paper, more sustainable. An easy-to-use tool, a main menu to configure the widgets. Hey, and you can personalize it with your corporate image. MovilGmao is updated without modifying your settings or forms. Each version is fully compatible with the previous one. Available in English, French and Portuguese, the application can be configured in the language used by your company. The MovilGmao planner can set permissions according to each user. So visual and intuitive that it simplifies coordination and decision-making. The home screen, in addition to graphics, KPIs or reports, allows for configuring the alerts of each technician for better internal communication. The GPS function keeps each asset, user or task located in real time. And the NFC verifies that the operator wears the security elements, complying with the established standards. Checklists, time control, attached documents. With its more than 20 types of dynamic fields, MovilGmao creates any forms so far on paper. Look at all that MovilGmao can do for your company's profitability. Because MovilGmao is the application that will improve your internal communication and offer the highest quality service. Reduce costs, increase transparency and efficiency. Check from minute one how productivity and profitability of your business grows. As you've already seen, MovilGmao changes the life of your business.